morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Hmm. I'm here. Hmm. All right, so we're gonna wait for NY to open. We got 16 more minutes here, and I'm waiting to see if we are going to close below this first range, below 45.02. Took a buy here late. Pretty much pre-London. I just took the buy and went to sleep. Um, okay, so 15 minute, we closed below this first range here. Not a good closure yet, but we still closed below, and we could fill this week here. So there is nothing to do right now. So we'll see how the 30-minute closes. The demand that I would prefer is this 1 hour demand. That's where I would like to see gold reject and a possible bullish continuation. Oh, who knows? This could be the beginning of a sell-off here on gold. FBI Light, how you doing? I am good. TikTok Studio. Um, so you're saying you need help on something about this because you opened at 45.18 and now it's below 4,500, and you're not asking for a financial advice, but I think there will be a bounce back to 45.20. So I'm just gonna assume you are talking about gold futures. So I'm guessing took a buy at 45.18 and now price is below 4,500. If you took a buy at 45.18, so let's just say exactly 45.18, which is pretty much around here. Man, where's your stop loss at? Because we're below 500. Now, I'll just tell you guys my analysis for today. As of right now, if gold is going to continue to the upside or if we're going to have a pullback, I am looking at this 1 hour demand. That is where I am looking at, because when we were pushing up earlier, right, this was a continuation we had and we went all the way back up to create this high at 45.30. Now this same low, right, came down, created a minor low. Now the minor low that it created was unable to break the high that this low also created, and now we rejected and we're coming down aggressively. So what I am expecting to see here is, okay, even if we do have a pullback here, because now we have a BOS here, however, the 30-minute has not closed yet. Now, if the 30-minute closed below this minor range low, there's a strong chance that we're going to have a pullback and then we continue to the downside. So I'm expecting something like this, and then we continue down. Now, this 1 hour demand is where I'm looking to see a more aggressive bullish continuation. Now, is this low going to break this high? I do not know, but this is what I am anticipating. So, I mean, your trade that you're in, I don't know, man, you should just see it as a loss, because, yeah, you're already down a bit, because this thing has come down. How many ticks? Damn, 460. I don't know what to tell you, man. But I don't know. If for whatever reason you're able to get back in profit, I don't know. One thing I know is I personally, I wouldn't take a buy where you took a buy. And even if I did, let's say I did take a buy, which I would not take a buy where you took your buy. But let's say I did. My stop loss would not be all the way below here because that's just too big. It's going to be below this low here. My stop loss would have been below 45.10. So that's all I can say. Stop loss is 44.69. 44.69. Oh, okay. Are you talking about futures or are you talking about forex? 44.69 is down pretty much around this 1 hour demand area. So 44.69. Yep, that's where 44.69 is at on futures, and you took it by at 45.18. If your entry was futures, yeah, this is a huge stop loss. Futures, huh? Man, yeah, you had a huge stop loss. I wouldn't use a stop loss like this. It's just too big. How do I think the stop loss should be? I mean, if you, like I said, if you took your buy at 45.18, for me, my stop loss will be below this low here. And worst case, that can be like, okay, I'll look past that because you had your stop loss right below the major low of the range. And worst stop loss for me is 45.02, below 45.02. Because if I took a buy there, then I know, okay, if price should come down below 45.02, then there's a higher chance that I was wrong, because there is no reason for it to close below 45.02 if it's going to continue going up. Yeah, you should have jumped out the trade earlier. Just waiting this out, I guess, just to get much less loss. Okay. All right, so for now, I am going to go ahead and mark up this 30-minute supply. We got 3 more minutes here. There's a high chance this 30-minute might close below 45.02. All right, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change.
All right. I prefer to see what happens to this 1 hour demand.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Hmm. New York is open. Opened 5 minutes ago.
Rages around like an ocean in my head.
This is my last day trading for this year, guys.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
As of right now, for sales, this is what I am waiting for. Right, that is for sales, and for buys, waiting for this. At least this 1 hour demand, and we can look to take buys. Even though we have this aggressive selling right now, gold is still bullish overall. Eventually, until yeah, we're gonna have to start breaking higher time frame major lows. This current 15-minute candle closes in 4 minutes.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero.
Hey Nicholas, look like it respected the first demand.
'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
See this 15-minute demand here? That didn't hold. Didn't. And there's a 15-minute demand here, which we are currently reacting to. And I'm not looking to take buys from there. Since we broke this minor low, we should come down to the next one. Is around this 1 hour demand here. And potentially we might just wick this 1 hour minor range low and reject off of the next demand, which is the 30-minute demand.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side.
Oh, patience, patience. Sell pressure is still strong, and we still have nails. Well, the news left that we have left is orange folder.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I am coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe.
Hmm.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
When our demand is good, yeah, that's the demand I'm looking at.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
We should have a POC around this 1 hour demand, the 30-minute demand. Uh, let me see. Oh, yep. 40. What's this POC at? Buy side 44.71. And the one we had to the sell side, we did not actually retest it. We have it at 45.18. This would have been a much better drop if we had had a retest as soon as we closed below 45.02. Close below 45.02, goes back up, retest the supply, and we continue down.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
Probably gonna take this off of the 15-minute.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk away.
Hi, did you catch anything doing London pre-London?
Nah, I was waiting for that pullback, but it just sort of it blew through all of my demands.
Uh, I caught this one. I only caught 1 to 1 though. Caught this buy
Oh,
here.
nice.
I thought it was going to break the highs, but it did not. That move was after midnight my time. This candle still has 6 minutes to close. 6 minutes. All right. We got 3 more minutes for this candle to close. Can we get more likes here? Two more minutes. All right. We just go to the 1 hour demand. Let's see how we are going to react here.
Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show.
Oh boy. Man, gold is extremely volatile. Extremely volatile. 200? Hey. You got two options here. Either stay away from this trade because the stop loss is freaking huge. Or you reduce your contract size if you trade futures, or your lot size if you trade Forex, because we are looking at least 200 ticks here. So 4486.4.
Order working.
We'll see if we're gonna get activated. Hey James, how you doing? Morning, Zay. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Answer this pending order for now.
Order cancelled.
Okay. Here is the 30-minute demand. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm definitely wilding with this music. I blame YouTube. I'm gonna wait for this current candle to close. Yeah. Oh man. Stop loss though. Gold is very, very volatile today. Can't even. Oh, I am going to have a buy stop right there.
Order working.
44.75.6. Yeah. Yeah. The 20 is good enough. Okay, 44.75.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Yep, the stop loss is 220, guys. You don't have to take this because it's a big stop loss, but if you want to, you can always reduce your lot size or your contract size.
Stop filled.
All right, we are in this.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
You've been too skeptical to jump in the shot because right when you do it, we jump. Wow. I think we should continue higher here. Hmm.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
I'm not trying to jinx it. Mm.
Yeah, my life is lovely now. I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die. I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time.
Gold really surprised me with this type of volatility today. Last time we had a 200 tick stop loss was during the what's it called? Election. During the presidential election. We've not had a stop loss this big since then. Yeah, it is nice to see this type of volume today, being our last trading day for the year. But now that we're in, we I was still gonna get that same energy. The same energy we had when it was dropping, we need that same energy now going up.
It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night. You seem a little nervous in your head. It's like a creepy circus. Are you ready for the show? Now tell me, where did all your courage go? I'm back. Boom. I control you, just as in a game. But don't try to fight me.
It's Christmas week, anything can happen.
Can't break me. Try it, and you shall see. I'm back. Boom.
want to see top supply get retested. Yeah, that's what I'm anticipating too. But we'll see. I would recommend you start day trading, even paper trading for a couple of months. So this is my advice to you if you want to start. Of course, start by watching YouTube videos. Now, while you're watching YouTube videos, what I would also advise you to do is to practice, right? And when I say practice, I'm not talking about demo. I'm talking about you just back testing what you've been watching, right? Now back test everything that you've been learning, and once you're done with that, go live with the least amount you can afford. Now this is the reason why I'm saying that. The reason why I said you should go live with the least amount that you can afford is because of your psychology. Now, because by the time you start really trading, you will notice that some of the things that you did while you were back testing, it's not going to be the same while you're trading live. And that's because now you're trading real money. There is emotions behind your decisions. There's always going to be emotions behind your decisions, but you won't notice that if you do not have your own money involved. So you need to get that out the way in the beginning, right? So go live with the least amount you can afford. Now, once you do that, and for whatever reason you're still finding it hard, you're still struggling, then I would say look for a mentor, someone you believe in, someone that you actually trust, and you know that this person can actually trade. Just go with them and do that. And before you know it, all these struggles you have in trading, it will be out the window before you know it. But start for free. For the prop firm route, you can do that. Now, even though prop firm is not your own capital, it's also a simulated account. But the good thing about it is that you still spent your money to get that prop firm account. Of course, you don't want to lose that money, so you can go that route as well. much have 2 more minutes here for this 30-minute to close. Oh man. Practice for months in a simulator and study. You're wondering if you will retest back at the resistance. Which one? The major resistance or this 5-minute minor resistance? I think we just tapped this 3-minute demand. See that if that holds. We did not close below this 1-hour minor range low, so we should continue pushing up here. 30-minute did not close below, so we'll see what happens. What we can do now is just wait. Nothing we can do but wait. Wait for the end results. We're not in elementary school. Adults here. Unbelievable selling pressure, crazy 600 tick drop, yeah.
so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
I gotta go use the restroom again, guys. I'll be right back. Ah, uh, where did the volume go? Long time actually looks good for the buys. James, I don't. When it comes to breaking 4530.6, which is pretty much the major high of this range, I'm not pretty sure we are going to do that. Um, because as of right now, when we look at pretty much the rejections we had at the top, we had one, two, three, four. We had 4 rejections at the top right there, and then we have a minor BOS. Even though when we go to the 1 hour here, we failed to break and close below the minor low. It's a minor low that created this high, right? Now, that's if we start from the bottom. But if we start from the top here, this is going to be a major low that created this high at 45.30. But this range between 45.30 and 44.64, if you look at here on the 1 hour, we have a break of structure to the downside, even though it's a minor low. Now, with that being said, if we go back to the 5-minute here, entry time frame, there is a high possibility that we could go back up to this 30-minute supply, or even back to the 5 that rejected. I don't think we should reject up the 5. If the 30-minute supply does not hold, I think then we are going to break the highs. But if the 30-minute supply holds, I think we are going to continue to the downside and then potentially break this low here. That's my analysis here in this range. Even though we are still overall bullish on the higher time frame, this is as of right now, this is what I see happening. Right now, I'm expecting this to go all the way back up there. Just fill these gaps to the left. So we'll see what happens. I don't think I'll be able to sit here and just watch this trade the whole time. Maybe. Alright guys, I think I'm going to head off here, but before I do, once we get to this break-even point, you know what to do from there. You can either take your partials, let the trade keep running, or you can close the trade from there, or you can just move your trade to break even and see if you can catch the whole move. For me personally, I'm going to hold for at least 1-to-1, and this trade here is my last trading day for 2025. I hope you guys had a good trading year. So I will see you guys next year, January 5. I will be back January 5 to start trading again for 2026. All right, guys. I think this actually hit already, but this alert is now going off. So I appreciate you all for supporting me this whole year. So hopefully you guys do the same next year. So God bless everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I will see you guys next year. God bless. Peace. I'm out. You as well, Mac. You as well. God bless you. Peace, guys.
Thanks, Abe. Merry Christmas.
You as well. Oh, all right. There goes the alert. You just hit the break-even point. Manage your trade how you see fit. All right, Zoom. We're gonna trade one more trade session though. It's just session tonight. Yeah, I forgot to say that. It's just session. I'm going to trade It's just session tonight, and that will be my trading year. So I'll see you guys later tonight.
Thanks, Abe. See you, man.
You too.
Bye-bye.
You too, bye. Yeah, Pablo. I'll try.